Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. I'm still at the sublot. I did film like two cars, the G35 Infinity and an interesting Chevy Cruze with no gearbox. So yeah, we will be looking at two more cars now, and next we'll be heading to the main lot at Des Moines here. Yeah, so please guys, if you like what you see, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to the channel. So yeah, for now let's jump to the first one, which is actually like a relatively new Subaru. So let's jump to the first one. Alright guys, so the first one, it is a Subaru Outback. It has of course like the 2.5 4-cylinder. It's premium all-wheel drive. So yeah, the trim level is premium for this car. It has 87,000 miles. It's a clean title, this car. It's listed as runs and drives, but also they said like there's a front end damage and dents, minor dents and scratches. This car has 2 owners, 1 accident. It's currently like on minimum bid, and the current bid now is $3,200 as I'm filming. So let's examine the damage for this car. I'm just wondering what happened to this car. Like you have a dent in here, scratches, and of course like the estimator from the insurance company, they marked all these stuff. Okay, do we have any other damage in here? No. This one here I think it's just like we can fix it right now. Yeah, not sure what that means. I don't see any damage, although I see like dent in here, but what is this? I'm not sure, but there's a dent in here, but what that thing is, I don't know. Probably like they mean scratches. Okay, scratches here. Yeah, so, but honestly guys, you can actually, like, if you buy this car, especially if it has a clean title, so since this car has a clean title, you can just, like, if someone wants to buy this car, you can just buy it, remove these marks, buff them off, then drive it home. Of course, like if it runs and drives, doesn't have any mechanical problem, we'll examine that in a minute. But yeah, if there are any other issues, you can just drive it home. Yeah, I'm not sure. There are no damage to the top, and you have like those racks, which is nice. Okay, let's take a look inside. Alright, that's pretty nice. Yeah, this one's working. Guys, let's take a look in here, see what do we have. Okay. Yeah, full tire replacement. Okay. It's not, guys, yeah, it's the Outback, so it's not electric lift gate, so alright. We don't have leather seats, but it's not like bad smelling in here, guys, so yeah, it needs some cleaning of course, but it's not like in a bad shape at all. Here, yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, so far so good. What is that? Okay, it's like the labeling for the fuse. I think it should go in here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, now it's working. I fixed that. Alright, we do have power. That's good. Alright, start right away. With, I think, no issues on the dash. That's pretty nice. It has the big screen, I think. This one's the biggest screen. Okay. Alright, what do we have in here? Okay, check some stuff. I'm not gonna show you that, guys, because like private stuff. Yeah, the owner manual was not open. Okay. Alright, you give back like some money, some cents. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Let's take a look under the hood. Where is that? It's like, huh. Okay, that's this one here, so what do I do? Huh. Okay. How do you open that? Like this? Huh. Oh, here it is. Okay. Alright, so, yeah. Alright, so, here's it for you guys, the 2.5 Boxer 4. I like these engines. And sounds pretty nice. Let's take a look at the oil. It is old, but it is like clean. Alright. Yeah, everything checks out in here, guys. That's why probably there are some people who came to check the car and they saw that this car needs nothing. You just need to pay for it and drive it home. Of course, if it drives. Yeah, for now I don't see any problems, guys. So let's check the AC real quick. AC low. Turn off the heated seats. They are working. Heated seats are working, guys. Okay. The mode. Okay. Yeah, now it's getting colder. Colder. Oh, ice cold. Okay, yeah. So it works. No problems. Alright, perfect. Yeah, that works. X mode. What is that? Okay. Probably like it's like the off-road mode. Windows. Yeah, they all work. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, guys, this car has no issues. But what is doing, like, what this car is doing here? Why they just don't say it like the usual normal way? Oh, nice. Yeah, steering feels good. We have backup camera. All right. Yeah, steering feels good. Brakes feels great. So yeah. This car checks out pretty nicely, guys. There are no issues at all. Of course, like the touch screen is actually working. Do we have like... Okay, we have like a bunch of... I think I just turned that off now. We have like a bunch of applications. Pandora, blah blah blah. Cancel. Just want to show the people that... Alright, okay, yeah. Let's give it a couple of revs to make sure. Yeah, that's just steam, guys. And the engine is great. No issues. Alright, that is... Yeah, you can, guys, especially like this car has clean title. Like, if I'm buying this car, I would just like bring like a brake cleaner to remove all these stuff. Like the writings and the marking. I'll just drive it home. Like, literally. Like, I'll just go and drive it home. It has no problems at all. Pretty nice car. Yeah, it's 2018 with 87,000 miles, so yeah. Alright, guys, so if anyone is interested in a running car, you can have this car. Yeah, so let's move to the next one. Alright, guys, so the last one for the sublot and for this video. It's a 2005 Ford Ranger Super Cab. It has the V6 4.0 engine. It's rear-wheel drive with all-wheel drive capability as well. So yeah, it's capable truck. this one here. It has 164,000 miles. It has a clean title, so that's another good sign. It said it runs and drives. It's like the main damage is listed as just like minor dents and scratches. I'm not gonna be able to go through this here, guys, because yeah, this plastic for this broken Ford, so Fusion. So I'm just gonna like go the other way around. Okay, it has 2 owners. There is like one accident that is listed on Epic Fan, but I'm not sure, like it's not like there are no damage for this truck. I don't see any like big damage for this truck in here. And it's a pure sale. That's another good thing. And currently, you'll be amazed, guys, it's currently sitting at $1,300. It's a pure sale and sitting at $1,300. So yeah, probably like many people are interested in this truck. Oh, that's pretty nice bed for a 2005 truck. Huh. Like the overall shape for this truck is pretty good for 2005. So yeah, that's interesting. Can it tow? Does it have like a tow package? Let's take a look inside, guys. Yeah, probably you can install a tow pack on it, but I'm not sure like how that would go because of all of this rust. Yeah, let me just give you like a better look in here, guys. So yeah, it doesn't include like a tow pack, but probably more likely you can install one. It's very high. It's very high. Like the clearance is high for this truck. I like its shape. I like how it looks like. It's like a classic truck. I like it. I really like it. Okay. We do have like some rust in here, and some rust in here on the bed. Here it's kind of clean, not bad. Okay, do we have rust at the front? No, it's pretty clean here. We don't even have rust on this side. Yeah, this side is like from inside. It's actually, yeah, it's clean. We have the rust here. Okay. Let's take a look inside. Okay, we have like the super cab, so I'm assuming you can put small children in here, maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure. You can probably. They are sitting sideways. That's interesting. It's the first time for me to see such a thing. Okay. All right, let's see if we have power and we can turn that on. If we don't have power, then I'll jump it for you guys. All right. It's pretty dirty. Let me show you again, guys. In here, it's pretty dirty, and you have like these rips in the seat. But overall, it's not bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay. Let's see. We have keys. That's how they look like. Okay. Nothing. Dead. Okay, so as usual, guys, let me just install the jump pack on it and see how it goes. Alright, guys, so I just installed the jump pack. So I just saw this, so let's check if we have like oil in it or not. Okay, yeah, we do have oil, and the oil actually looks good. Alright, so let's turn that on. Do we have power? Hopefully. Yeah, it's saying dun 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 dun. I'm not sure if you can hear it, guys, but yeah, it shows that there's like power. Alright, nice. 164, that is right. Okay. Oh, nice. Start right away, guys. That's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice truck. And the engine sounds great. It's not even shaking. Like, it's not even shaking. It's pretty good, but let's keep running for a while. And while it's running, let's check some stuff in here. Do we have radio? Works. Yep. CD. No CD. It's working, which means it's working. AC. Let's see. Yeah. We do have AC as well. That's pretty nice. Okay. That's like the two-wheel all-wheel drive system. This one here, I'm not sure, guys, what's happening here, but yeah, it doesn't show that we have problem with the airbag, so it should be okay. Okay. You can actually, wow, guys, that was nice. That was nice. You can turn off or on the passenger airbag manually. That's great. That's great. That's really great. Okay. It comes with door opener. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty. Probably like someone's dog was always like coming with him or her. It comes with like 1/4. Okay. Yeah, you can like put 3 people here at front and 2 small people in the back. All right. Okay. Now let's take a look at the engine. Should we like rev it a little bit? Yeah, it sounds nice. It sounds really nice, guys. Okay. Let's see. Alternator is charging, so oops, that went off. Yeah, this is not, yeah, as you can see, it's not like very well attached to it, so you have to fix that. All right, now it's running on its own electric power, so that's good. Sorry guys for being gibberish in here, but yeah. Okay, yeah. Lights are working, and as I said, as you can see, guys, engine is running very smooth. Very smooth. Alright, so let me just put that off like that. Okay. Let's see what kind of smoke we have in the back. No, nothing. It's just steam. And as you can see, like there's water in here. So, wow. This truck, although it's 2005, it's nicer than that Chevy Cruze. Look at the bed, how clean it is. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay. So let's see now the final test. We go into gear. I'm pretty sure it will. Let's see, because they said actually it runs on drive. So, but let's test it. What? Probably let's. Yeah, here you go. Oh, nice. It's actually, guys, sitting nice and high. Yeah. Steering feels good. Brakes, they feel good. Let's go now in reverse. Okay. All right. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Window, main window's working, other window's working. It's just, guys, like the seat belt, don't worry about it. Locking, unlocking. Wow, guys, this truck is awesome. It is really awesome. That's nice. Let's see, like, if it will start on its own power again. Nah, probably like you will need a battery for it, so. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's really nice, guys. Alright, guys, so yeah, if this truck can tow, I will buy it. But probably many people will be interested in this truck, so it will go up high. So because it's really clean. Yeah, and Ford Rangers, the old Ranger, people like them. So yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for the day, for today's video I mean. And there will be like more videos will be uploaded on Copart main lot. And please guys, if you like what you see, hit the like button. If you would like to see more, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.